Replace old or broken door locks. When your sliding door mortise lock is broken or old, don't replace the door entirely. Just get a new mortise lock. Easy installation. Installation is quick and easy. Working sliding door locks are well within reach. For sliding doors, this mortise lock can be used on sliding patio doors constructed of wood, aluminum and vinyl. Also fits doors using WF manufactured handles. 45-degree keyway. This E2199 stainless steel mortise lock has a 45-degree angled keyway position when in the locked position. Product info. The mounting hole centers of this lock measures 3-11/16 from center to center, and the rear housing corners are square. Mortise lock dimensions are 1. 125 d x 0. 5 w x 3. 688 h. For all dimensional information, please refer to the line art and compare to your needs before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. This item was a perfect replacement for the locking door latch in my sliding glass door identified by part number 2300-1061-2.